Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quantumult X. First, let's understand what Quantumult X is and its core capabilities. This versatile iOS application acts as a robust network proxy, allowing you to manage and route your internet traffic with precision. It supports multiple protocols, enhancing your online privacy and security. We'll cover its main functions and how they benefit your daily usage. Now, let's get Quantumult X set up on your device. After downloading the app, the first step is to import your server configurations. You can do this by adding a subscription link or manually entering server details. Once your servers are loaded, activate the VPN connection within the app. This establishes the proxy, allowing Quantumult X to manage your network traffic effectively. One of Quantumult X's most powerful features is its rule management system. You can create highly specific rules to control how different applications or websites connect to the internet. For example, you might route certain apps through a proxy while others connect directly. This level of customization gives you fine-grained control over your network, optimizing both speed and privacy based on your needs. Beyond basic proxying, Quantumult X offers advanced features like URL rewriting and man-in-the-middle capabilities for deeper network control. You can also leverage its scripting engine to automate tasks or enhance functionality. Remember to regularly update your server subscriptions to ensure you have the latest and most efficient connections available. These tools empower you to truly master your network environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.